Hey friends, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com, and in this video I'm making a low country broil on the sheet pan. This video is in partnership with Eckrich Smoked Sausage. Here on my chopping board I have my fresh corn, but if you'd like you can certainly use frozen corn on the cob. I have my Eckrich Smoked Sausage. I'm using skinless and this is the star of this recipe. And you'll also need some bell pepper. I'll be using red and green, but you can use any color that you choose. Here I have my yellow onion. It's a medium-sized onion. We're just going to chop it. And then we're going to start chopping up our potatoes. And I'm using regular russet potatoes, but if you like, you can use red potatoes. We're now going to cut our smoked sausage in about 1/2-inch pieces. And after that, we are pretty much good to go. We're going to line everything on a sheet pan lined with some aluminum foil. So now we can start adding our ingredients. Let's start off with our potatoes, our peppers, onions, and our corn. Once those ingredients are on there, we can start drizzling on some olive oil. And followed by the olive oil, we're going to start adding our seasonings. Now for my seasonings, I chose to use Creole seasoning, black pepper, and I'm also going to add some dry garlic. So now I'm going to use my hands or a kitchen utensil and I'm just going to make sure everything is nicely coated with the seasonings and the oil. And now we can start adding our smoked sausage. Cooking with Eckrich Smoked Sausage allows me to get in and out of the kitchen in no time, which also means more blogging and family time, and to me that is a winner. This smoked sausage has been around for generations. With plenty of true smokehouse flavor and plenty of flavors to choose from, you simply cannot go wrong incorporating this smoked sausage into your favorite dishes. We're now going to place this in the oven on 375 Fahrenheit uncovered, and we're going to let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once done, this is the finished look. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the link in my description box so that you can get more recipe inspirations using Eckrich Smoked Sausage.